Hi, this is Jake Durfee calling. I put snake oil in my truck. I have a 97 Chevy Silverado. It's got 250,000 miles on it. I live out in Montana, Three Forks, area. And, so the snake oil, helped a lot. I had some ticking going on in the motor. It smoothed out within, ticking sounds stopped within about a minute of run time. It increased a little bit in the power. I need to check for vacuum leak, and I need to put in an O2 sensor. But I have the groove on it, and it's been running good, and getting a little more horsepower out of it. But yeah, you guys are doing great. Keep up the good work. Thanks.